So guys, what we have here is the PX TTI Glock 17, also known as John Wick Staran Tactical Gel Pistol. Ito ang ginagamit ko as a second weapon sa games. Overall, maganda tong unit na to. Though, meron tong minor issue, which is nagja-jam yung gel balls sa barrel. Kaya naman, gagawin natin dito ay disassemble natin yung unit, then magsa-switch tayo ng barrel. So, guys, let's go. So first thing na gagawin natin is to release the magazine, then i-push natin yung slide, then put natin sa lock. Then after that, tanggalin natin tong maliit na plastic piece sa likod ng slide, then ibalik natin sa normal position yung slide. Then after natin maibalik yung slide, may makikita kayong lever dito. Itutulak lang natin yan pababa. So after matulak pababa, you need to pull the trigger. Then yun, matatanggal na natin yung slide. Then ayan, makikita mo yung spring. So itong unit na to is nylon gears. Okay, ayan yung spring. And then sa slide nandun yung piston, and then yung cylinder nya na nylon din. So, i-remove lang natin tong maliit na piece nito. Yan yung nagko-control ng blowback. So, alis natin yan. Yan. Kita niya. So, para maalis yan, tatanggalin mo lang yung outer barrel. So, ka-screw yan. Then, ayan. So, yung outer barrel niya is metal. And then, makikita nyo, yung inner barrel tube is plastic. So yan yung reason na minsan nagja-jam yung unit natin, lalo na pag dry fire or first time natin isa lang sa game, dahil nagkakos siya ng friction. So ang gagawin natin, kailangan nating palitan yung inner barrel. So dahil nga nakita ko marumi na yon sa may handle and gears natin, marami na siyang dumi ng gel bullets. So ang gagawin ko dyan, lilinisan ko muna yan gamit yung cotton buds para maalis na yung mga dumi, and then para mas maging malinis na rin yung unit, kasi para din yung mag-cause ng jam naman sa gears if pinapabayaan. So ayun, medyo malinis na nga. So, balik tayo sa barrel. So again, kailangan natin palitan yung barrel. Nagtry akong maghanap ng metal or aluminum barrel for gel pistol or Glock 17 online, pero wala akong nahanap. So after kong matanggal yung plastic inner barrel sa tipis, is nagputol ako ng metal barrel or stock barrel ko dito. So yung barrel na yan is galing sa TG F4 carbon ko, na meron siyang built-in hop-up. So ang ginawa ko, kinat ko lang yung inner barrel, so para magamit ko yung aluminum barrel niya, and then yung built-in hop-up, kasi tong unit na to or tong Glock 17 is wala siyang built-in hop-up. So mas naging useful din siya. So ang gagamitin ko para makabit ko yung metal barrel is yung super glue, and then yung E7000 na glue na nabili ko online to make sure na ma-sealed and then walang air leak. Okay, so let's go. Kabit na natin yung barrel. Alright, nakabit ko na yung metal barrel sa tipis. Okay, align na rin yung hop up. Linisin ko muna ng konti itong glue or excess glue. So, oras na para i-assemble yung unit. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I can definitely check that one. As for checking here, you already selected your benefits. And the reason why there's no pending tasks showing from the main homepage is because your enrollment is still ongoing. Because you haven't enrolled already and ready to enroll. So it's just a reminder about the ongoing enrollment of yours. But when it comes to your enrollment already, because you're already done. And you can check that from the main homepage, just hit the benefits tab, then employee summary report. That's on the top. Profile benefits, company info. How can you go back to the main homepage where it says welcome, open enrollment, April 7th, do you see that? Okay, there you go. Yeah, beside profile. Then employee summary report, and there you go. Those in green, those are the benefits that you enrolled. So you can print this out and show them that you already completed. Okay, these are the questions for now. Alright, so I was able to confirm that you are already done for either enrollment for benefits. Case number for your call, 1848769. And if you don't have any questions, it's email message or email. You can different calling my phone. Please,
Alright, nakabit na natin or na-assemble na natin ulit ng unit. Tapos ko na rin malagyan ng grease yung springs. And okay, almost 15 minutes ang napatuyo naman yung glue. So let's try it out kung kumusta ang accuracy.